So, ladies and gentlemen, listen very close. You are very close. You are doing so many things, right? You are doing so much efforts on so many things. There is seven things that contribute mainly to do this all. So that's why I'm gonna show you seven ways to unfuck your life. So on that way, in the next 12 months, you're gonna win so big. So the first way to unfuck your life is never disrespect momentum. So a lot of you guys out there who got a big win, they got so much money from their business. They got 99% in their studies. But because of that, they starting to disrespect the momentum. You are going on a winning path, but all of a sudden you stopped there. You stopped the thing that got you, and you are standing on the same place. Maybe you are not a millionaire. Maybe you are not good at studies. But if you got one success, then you are started to thinking like, oh, I got everything in my life, and I don't want to keep the things that take me to this place. In my opinion, momentum is the most powerful force in your entire life. I always says when it rains, it pours, but it is so much destroyable when it is on the opposite way. So when it's changed into negative momentum, it is so much destroyable. So when you're on the hot straight, when you're going in the right path, never disrespect momentum. So as I said, when it rains, it pours. So when one success come into your life, never disrespect it and stopping it there only. Actually, it makes me sad when I see a lot of guys who are starting their business and got their first success, but they stopped there only because they don't know what to do after that, don't know how to keep up the momentum. So when you are looking for to get $10,000 a month, that is by far the most important thing in your life. You just need to not disrespect the moment. Now, moving it to the second step of unfuck your life is cut out all the bad habits, friends. Here is what I mean by that. Actually, I see a lot of guys who are enjoying with their friends, but they are not really a friend. The friend bond are created by some of the bad habits. So if a person like to play a game, they will have a lot of gamer friends. And a person like to smoke, they will have a lot of smoke friends. But if you cut out all of them, you will automatically start to cut out the bad habit. Actually, there is a proverb that says, tell about your friend and they tell who is you. So I want to all of you guys look at your friends and analyze, why am I actually friend with them? If I am locked with that person for another 30 days, I will be happy. So like this, you have to ask and analyze about your friends. So if your answer is no, then the friendship is not created by bonds. It is created by some bad habits. So the third way to unfuck your life is get more sunlight as early as possible. The sun is one of the, it is not only, it is the most powerful source in our life. Sunlight has the power to make the things grow, flourish, and prosper. Actually, for me, my friends, sun is more connected with them. Like if I got them, they are having more sunlight on their morning. They was more happier with healthy body. If you wake up in morning, just have some exposure of sunlight in your body. I'll be honest, in my morning, I go and have a morning walk. So there is no excuse to not getting sunlight exposure on your body in the morning. So the more skin you show, the better it gets. So the fourth way to unfuck your life is clean your desk. Actually, it looks so stupid, but this is why in military people are saying to be very disciplined. Actually, cleaning a desk doesn't mean you have to have a nice desk, and I also don't say it contribute to very much thing in your life. It's just a VC win. So just clean your desk after watching this video. I will guarantee next time when you're going to start your work, you will have so much of concentration around it because you don't have clutter around it. So the next way to unfuck your life is have a strict rule. No music before 1 p.m. because nowadays a lot of music out there are created to make you distracted. But also, to be honest, I like bumpy rap in my workout. But before 1 p.m. it's such a very concentrated time in your day. It's such a delicate time in your day, and it's a time in a day where you have to get some peace. So I think a strict rule you should implement in your life is no music before 1 p.m. or don't listen to any music with lyrics before 1 p.m. because as I said, music is one of the biggest thing to influence people, because you don't want someone to influence in your life like rappers are singing about some shit, but at the end of the day it is your life. Likewise, you can say that I am also influencing your life. Maybe the thing I saying now about music may not be correct to you, but that's fine. But at the end of the day, you are looking at the things and analyzing everything. You are choosing which is correct and which is wrong. you're conscious about it. But music is an unconscious thing. The frequency will go into it and make your IQ lower. You can think that this is not true, but it is happening. So the next way to unfuck your life is unfollow all the Instagram baddies. Actually, a lot of girls out there on the Instagram who are shaking their butt busy. Just unfollow all of them unless you know who are they and they know about it. Actually, I don't know why there are a lot of boys who are following more than 300 baddies, but she doesn't know you are exist. She doesn't know who are. She doesn't will. So just think you wake up in the morning and open your phone and see some shit baddies and you ruin your day. It's not only because you are entered into your sexual contention, but you are made your day bad because when you're seeing, you think like, I don't have this in my life. I want this in my life. So right now, go and unfollow all the Instagram baddies unless you know who they are. And when always you're seeing a girl on your explore page, you should hold and click not interested. Unless you are making money from Instagram or creating a chain around you and you are not growing your net worth, Instagram is already a waste of time. But still you are using it, make sure you get something from that. And the last way to unfuck your life is try to fast as long as possible. You can do just a few days for not drinking water, but you're gonna say that is not possible. It is impossible like that. But just do some research about it. But to be honest, I don't recommend you to do that. But for me, I did around 48 to 72 hours of fast sometimes. It's a chance for your body to truly repair yourself. And it also such a thing for spiritual. Maybe a lot of you guys who are watching are not believe in God. That's fine, it is your decision. But when you fast, you're gonna go a lot closer to the God. At least spiritually, it's gonna do something in your life. So just fast like 48 hours, 72 hours in a week as much as you can. So these are the 7 ways to unfuck your life. So as I said at the starting of this video, you are doing a lot of things right. But when you cut all of your bad habits, you can make so much improvement about your life. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you get something from this video. So this is for today's video. I meet you on another video.